accounting software. This is the software which helps small businesses to save time and to grow. This is the software which has a variety of features that I will show you. Before this, I am just creating one dummy account on this accounting software. So just I am creating one dummy account like Yash Sharma, Yash at the rate gmail.com. So while creating a new account, after entering your personal detail, you have to enter your business detail. Means the business, the organization which you wants to add on this Numex accounting software. That account detail you have to enter here. So I am just entering Abacus Consultancy as a dummy business name. You have to select the organization type here like limited liability company, and just I'm just entering the dummy business number here. After entering your personal detail and business detail, you will get this dashboard page of the Numex. You can find your personal details which you have entered while registering on the My Account page, where you can select your designation for that or a business which you have entered, like you are the business owner, accountant, bookkeeper, partnership, administrator, whatever the designation you have for that business, you just select from here. You can enter your telephone number here. After entering your personal details, whatever the pending details which you didn't enter while registration, you can enter here. After entering, you have to enter your current password. This is for your safety purpose that no one can change your personal details. Only you can change because only you know your current password. So this is your my profile page where you can see your you where personal details like your profile picture, your user type. After that, in setting module, in this Numex accounting module, we have one setting module. This setting module contains several pages like organization detail, user management, currencies, connected apps, documents. And in features like invoice setting, payment setting, email setting, payroll setting, Numex to Numex, taxes, chart of account, fixed asset setting, financial setting. So here on setting module, you have organization detail. Here you can see your organization detail means the business details which you have entered while. So you have to just enter the contact detail, co- uh, contact field like phone number of your business organization. So just I'm entering dummy number here. So these are the organization detail. Means in display name of any organization details, you should have 25 characters or short. So I'm just entering like the Abacus Consultancy. You can upload logo of your business from here. You can just write the organization description and all the contact details like what's the physical and the postal address for your organization. So you can enter on the organization detail page. Apart from organization detail page, in the setting module, you have one more page that is user management. From user management, you can invite users for your business. Like from invite user, you just invite other users and you can select the permission, means the role that you want to provide to that particular users that you to whom you are sending an invitation. So you just enter your first name, last name, and email of that user to whom you want to add in your business organization. You can provide them the role as a payroll admin, where you can allow him or her as a full payroll access, like including preparing and posting pay runs and payroll reports. Or else you can provide the business and accounting roles also, where you can provide access to all invoices, all bank accounts, reports, setting, who can manage other users for your business organization. So from in this user management page, you can invite another user, and accordingly you can provide him or her permission. And other pages are under development in the setting module. Apart from setting module, we have certain modules like sales, expenses, banking, accounting, inventory, payroll, and many more. So in sales module, you can create invoices for the particular customer. So in this sales module, we have invoice list page, where you can see the list of invoices, the invoices which you have created. So from new invoice button, you can create new invoices, like you just enter the customer name here. If that customer is new, then from here you can create new customer by entering his detail. Otherwise, you have one contact module where you have list down all the customers previously. So when you will try to just search that customers to whom you want to create the invoice, you will get name here. So just you can create invoice entering the item details, reference number, everything here. In sales module, you can create codes also. In codes also, you have one button, new code. You can create here the new codes from this button, and you can send this code to that particular customer. Then accordingly, he or she can accept or decline. When you send this code via email, then that user can accept and decline from that email also, or you can just accept or decline on behalf of that customer also from this system. In sales overview, you can just see the summary of your invoices and codes. Similarly, in expense module, you have bills to purchase, purchase order, and expense overview. In bills to purchase, you can create new bills from the button, like new bill. You can create the buttons. So this expense module and other modules are under development. So this is the Numex accounting software, where you can create invoices, you can create bills, you can send the bills via email, you can send the quotations via email. And here we have contact module, where you can see all types of contact, like you have all types of customers, all types of vendors, all types of employees. You can import them from here also, on all contact page here. So this is the Numex accounting software, where you can see all types of features like sales, expense, banking, accounting. So rest of the modules are under development. So once the development is finished, I will provide you the complete demo. Thank you.